It might not be affordable for you, but for you aspiring filmmakers, videographers, YouTubers, etc., this may be the step up you need in your audio. At 3411 Heavy Media, we have been using a wireless audio system that only cost $100 and was in quality. Very if you've seen our previous videos. So this is a step up. In today's video, I'll be unboxing this product, giving you my first impressions, and then later on, so make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell, we'll be doing a full comprehensive review and test of the Rode Filmmaker wireless audio system. This was $400 on Amazon, as well as B&H Photo, Adorama, you name it, link in the description below. It did go on sale right after we ordered it for $379 on Amazon. Included in this packaging is not only the transmitter, but also the receiver. So you're getting the full kit. They have it divided up into two boxes, which I've been very excited to open. So this is the receiver, the TX belt, and the receiver, the RX cam. Rode has a couple of quick features on the side of the box here. First off, these feature a Series 2 2.4 gigahertz digital transmission with a 128-bit encryption for crispy audio. Additionally, they include a lavalier microphone, which is supposed to be broadcast quality, and they have a range of up to 100 meters. That's over 100 yards for those of us in the US. They're also powered both by AA batteries and USB, so you can plug in via micro USB cable, your battery bank, get tons of hours of usage on these things. And last but not least, 3-level gain control, which I will show later. Let's dive first into the transmitter, which would go on your person or on your dog if you want your dog mic'd up. Open, and there it is, the transmitter. We see that it is about the size of my hand, a little smaller, made in Australia, so it must be quality. You should not insert the batteries at over a 45-degree angle. Just a 10-degree angle is optimal. Under the transmitter is the lavalier microphone. Ooh, and it has a little cat's tail thing. And some directions, and of course, a silica gel packet. Now let's break into the receiver. That already has the shoe for the camera installed, so it can mount up top. Cord from the receiver to the camera is here. It is threaded. Same with the one for the lavalier mic. So you put that in, and then so it's extra secure. You screw it down. That's not going anywhere. This could, I don't know why I'm doing this after just getting it, but silica gel packet and then another quick start guide. I don't think these include AA batteries, so I'm gonna go grab some. Let's install them into the transceiver as well as the receiver. Battery number 1, 10 degrees now, folks. I really like how this slides. Additionally, here is the 3 levels of gain that you can easily adjust to 0, +10, +20. I'll leave it on +10 for now, as well as the syncing button that links these two together. They're linked by that 2.4 gigahertz connection, which does actually fluctuate between different channels within that range to give you the best connection possible. And that is very important because 2.4 gigahertz is obviously very busy because of Wi-Fi and such. These promise to even work in the busiest of frequency areas. So on the transmitter, you have the ability to adjust the gain up, 0, +10, +20. And on the receiver, you have the opportunity to put the gain at 0, -10, -20. And see how easy they are to connect. This one pops up with the RodeLink logo. Then I can see battery status as well as channel selection. They're both on 8 right now, so if I press the link button, boom, I just hit them and they connected that fast. Oh, that's pretty good. The transmitter does have the ability to mute and unmute and even lock out the muting. But what I think is really cool is on the LED screen on the receiver, you can see when the transmitter is muted and even override that mute using the button on the receiver itself. So if I want to mute them, unmute them, I have full power. But in this case, it'll be Jack who has full power. And let's connect this lavalier mic. Again, broadcast quality. This does have a built-in belt clip, and the receiver also has a belt clip in addition to the shoe mount for the camera, which you can just screw off and then you can clip this anywhere if you'd rather have it that way. and not on the camera so you can see better. Oh, good. They did include a clip for the microphone. For sure, no charging cable though. So right now I'm going to hook up the receiver and we are going to give this mic a test run. Right now we're on a normal studio mic, which is a expensive mic from like 10 years ago. So I've gone ahead and hooked up the RodeLink Filmmaker Kit to our camera. The audio you're hearing now is off these wireless microphones. I'm about 10 feet away from the camera and the microphone is mounted right about here. Pretty hard to see when I'm wearing a black t-shirt. This is just a taste of what these microphones sound like and obviously not my full opinions on this kit. If you want to see those, make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our full comprehensive review of the RodeLink Filmmaker Kit. If you want to check out these mics more, we'll have them linked in the description below. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bird out.